Find features that distinguish it from other brands. For Mutaomay 2500W Portable Inverter Generator, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Powerful backup power, delivering 2500 watt peak power and 1800 watt running power. This Mutaomay portable generator is equipped with a 1.1 gallon fuel tank, ensuring consistent energy for your home appliances and devices. Need more power? Connect a second generator of the same model to easily double the output. Ultra quiet performance, operating at an ultra-low noise level of 55 dBA, quieter than a normal conversation. This power generator runs smoothly without disrupting the peace. It's perfect for nighttime use when powering RVs, campers, or trucks during outdoor adventures. Compact and lightweight design, this backup generator weighs just 40 pounds and is easy to carry, transport, and store. Its lightweight design makes it the ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating events, road travel, and other outdoor activities. Safe and reliable power for devices. This home generator has advanced inverter technology and ensures clean and stable power for sensitive electronics like smartphones, laptops, and TVs. With 2x 120V AC outlets, 1x 12V DC outlet, 1x USB port, and 1x Type-C port, you can safely power multiple devices simultaneously. Enhanced safety features, built for safety and reliability. This gas generator portable includes essential protections such as CO, carbon monoxide, detection shutdown, low oil level auto shutdown, and overload protection, providing peace of mind during operation. Extended runtime and energy saving. Enjoy 9.5 hours of runtime at 450 watt, 6 hours at 900 watt, and 3.5 hours at 1800 watt. Activate Eco Mode under light loads to optimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions, extending runtime and enhancing overall fuel efficiency. A robust 1800 watt output delivers consistent, steady power to support your essential appliances and tools. The high-performance engine ensures maximum fuel efficiency, offering long-lasting operation without compromising reliability. Featuring easy start technology and a user-friendly design, this generator is perfect for both experienced users and beginners. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.